A historical deal or a dangerous gamble? India and the United States have just moved closer to a major trade agreement, and it could reshape billions of dollars in business, jobs, and even farmers' livelihood. But not everyone is celebrating, so what's really going on? In February 2026, India and the USA agreed on an interim trade framework. This is not a full free trade agreement, but it's a big step toward once. The goal, the reduce trade barriers, increase exports, and deepen economic. US imposed high tariff on Indian export linked to energy import disagreement. Here where it's get interesting. Plan to cut tariff on many Indian goods, in some cases dropping from around 50% to about 18%. That means Indian textile, jewelry, and machinery could become more competitive in the US market. India, in return, is opening access to some American industrial and agriculture goods. There's also talk of India. There's also talk of India importing up to 500 billion of dollars US good goods over 5 years, including energy, aircraft, and tech. But this is more of an intent than a legal promise. Some Indian export like spices, tea, coffee, and processed food may even get zero duty access. And yes, Harley Davidson bikes get duty free entry into India. The US is already India's largest trading partner. Easier trade means more export opportunity, more business growth, and potential more jobs. Strategically, this also strengthens Indian US ties at a time when global power dynamics, especially involving China, are shifting. Here's the other side. Farmers and workers unions in India have protested. They fear cheaper import could hurt local agricultures. Opposition leaders call the deal unequal and risky for rural livelihoods, and some economists warn that huge import target could widen India trade deficit. So, is the deal a golden opportunity for growth or risky move for India's economy? The final agreement is still being negotiated, and its real impact will unfold over time. What do you think? Is a smart move for India? Comment below. I would love to hear your view.